Welcome back to Body Politic PT exercises. Say goodbye to having a stiff neck. Today, we're doing neck ignition. Let's begin. Step 1. Start by positioning your neck in a chin tuck position using the deep neck flexors. These muscles run down the center of your neck from your chin down to your sternum. You can help activate these muscles by flattening your entire tongue against the roof of your mouth. The tip of your tongue should touch the back of your top teeth. If you feel the SEM muscles on the sides of your neck activate, you may be tucking too hard. Step 2. Place your finger on the spinous process of your C7 vertebra. This is the most prominent bump at the base of your neck. Starting here at this level, try to push the bone into your finger by tucking your chin more. If this level is strong, you should feel the bone press into your finger and your deep neck flexors corresponding to this level activate more. If this level is weak, then the bone will not clearly press into your finger and it may feel like you have no control over this movement. If that's the case, focus more on pressing your tongue to the roof of your mouth and activating your deep neck flexors. Hold this position for about 1 minute. Step 3. Now go up one level to C6. This bone may be more difficult to feel than C7. Again, push the bone back into your finger by tucking your chin. If it is strong, you can move on to the next one. If it is weak, hold it for about a minute, still trying to use your deep neck flexors. Repeat this process for each one of your cervical vertebrae until you reach C2. Because C1 doesn't have a spinous process, it will be hard to feel, so we can skip that one. Neck ignition is categorized as a fundamental exercise. This category of exercises aims to activate a specific muscle group. For neck ignition, this muscle group is called the deep neck flexors. They attach directly to the front of the cervical vertebrae, holding each one of them in their proper place. Building strength and, more importantly, endurance in these muscles can prevent forward head posture, neck pain, and even headaches. Another great aspect of this exercise is that it targets the weak segments of your neck. If you were to do normal chin tucks, your neck would still move in its default pattern, causing your weak segments to remain weak. But with neck ignition, you can be sure that you are strengthening those weak segments. Thanks for stopping by for a Body Politic PT exercise tutorial. Which segment did you have difficulty with? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to consult your personal PT if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.